Hello! Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here.
I'm Ella.
And I'm James. On this channel, we help you practice real everyday English.
Today, we're going to talk about fake friends. You know, people who smile to your face but talk behind your back.
This is an important topic. Everyone has dealt with fake friends at some point.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English practice. It really helps us.
Let's get started.
So, James, have you ever had a fake friend?
Unfortunately, yes. I think most people have experienced this at least once in their life.
It's a painful experience. Can you tell me about it?
Sure. A few years ago, I had a friend named Mike. We hung out all the time. Or so I thought we were close.
What happened?
One day, another friend told me that Mike had been talking badly about me behind my back.
Oh no. What was he saying?
He was criticizing my work and making fun of my decisions. But when he was with me, he acted like everything was fine.
That's terrible. He was being two-faced.
Exactly. Two-faced is the perfect word. It means someone who acts friendly to your face but is dishonest behind your back.
How did you feel when you found out?
I felt betrayed and hurt. I trusted him, and he was pretending to be my friend.
Did you confront him about it?
Yes, I did. I said, "I heard you've been talking about me behind my back. Is that true?"
What did he say?
He denied it at first, but when I told him who told me, he got defensive and made excuses.
That must have been a difficult conversation.
It was. In the end, I decided to distance myself from him. I realized he wasn't a real friend.
That was probably the right decision. Real friends don't talk behind your back.
Exactly. What about you, Ella? Have you had experience with fake friends?
Yes, I have. In college, I had a friend named Jessica. I thought we were best friends.
But she wasn't a real friend.
No, she was only my friend when it was convenient for her. When she needed help, she would call me. But when I needed her, she was always too busy.
That's called a fair weather friend. Someone who is only there during good times.
Yes, exactly. A fair weather friend. She would use me for favors, but never give anything back.
That's frustrating. Did you say anything to her?
I tried to. I said, "I feel like this friendship is one-sided. I'm always there for you, but you're never there for me."
How did she respond?
She got upset and said I was being dramatic. She didn't want to take responsibility for her behavior.
That's typical of fake friends. They don't like being called out.
Right. So I stopped trying to maintain the friendship. I realized she was just using me.
Good for you. It's better to have no friends than to have fake friends.
I agree. Quality over quantity, right?
Absolutely. Let's talk about the signs of a fake friend. How can you tell if someone is fake?
Good question. The first sign is they talk behind your back. If someone is gossiping about you to others, they're not a real friend.
That's a big red flag. Real friends don't gossip about you.
Another sign is they're jealous of your success. When something good happens to you, they don't seem happy for you.
Yes, a real friend celebrates your achievements. A fake friend feels threatened by them.
Exactly. What other signs are there?
Fake friends are often inconsistent. They're nice to you one day and cold the next day.
That's true. You never know where you stand with them.
Another sign is they only contact you when they need something, like your friend Jessica.
Right. They use you. They might need money, help with work, or just someone to listen to their problems.
But when you need them, they disappear. That's not a real friendship.
What about backstabbing? That's another sign of a fake friend.
Backstabbing means betraying someone who trusts you. It's when someone pretends to support you but secretly works against you.
For example, if a coworker acts friendly, but then tries to take credit for your work.
Perfect example. Backstabbing is one of the worst things a fake friend can do.
Another sign is they spread rumors about you. They tell lies or exaggerate stories to make you look bad.
That's terrible. Real friends protect your reputation. They don't damage it.
Exactly. And fake friends are often very competitive with you in an unhealthy way.
What do you mean by unhealthy competition?
Like, instead of being happy when you do well, they try to one-up you. They always need to be better than you.
Oh, I see. Like if you say, I got a promotion, they say, well, I got a bigger promotion.
Exactly. They can't just be happy for you. Everything becomes a competition.
That's exhausting. A real friend is supportive, not competitive.
Right. Let's talk about some phrases people use to describe fake friends.
Good idea. We already mentioned two-faced. That's a very common phrase.
Yes, you can say, she's so two-faced. She acts nice but talks badly about everyone.
Another phrase is fair weather friend, someone who is only around during good times.
Like, he's just a fair weather friend. When I had problems, he disappeared.
Good example. What about snake in the grass?
Oh, that's a great phrase. A snake in the grass is someone who pretends to be harmless, but is actually dangerous or dishonest.
For example, I thought I could trust him, but he turned out to be a snake in the grass.
Perfect. Another phrase is to stab someone in the back.
This means to betray someone who trusted you. Like, I helped her so much, and then she stabbed me in the back.
That's the verb form of backstabbing. Very useful phrase.
What about to talk behind someone's back?
This means to say negative things about someone when they're not present. It's one of the main characteristics of fake friends.
For example, I can't believe she was talking behind my back. I thought she was my friend.
Exactly. Another phrase is to use someone.
This means to take advantage of someone for your own benefit. Like, she only calls me when she needs something. She's using me.
Good example. What about to throw someone under the bus?
Oh, this is a great phrase. It means to betray someone to save yourself or to make yourself look better.
Like in a work situation, when our boss asked who made the mistake, Tom threw me under the bus, even though it was his fault.
Perfect example. That's definitely fake friend behavior.
These phrases are really useful to describe dishonest people.
Absolutely. Now, let's talk about what to do if you have a fake friend.
That's important. The first step is to recognize the signs. If someone consistently shows fake friend behavior, trust your instincts.
Right. Don't ignore red flags. If something feels wrong, it probably is.
The second step is to set boundaries. Stop sharing personal information with them.
That's smart. If they talk behind your back, don't give them more ammunition.
Exactly. And third, consider having an honest conversation.
Sometimes people don't realize their behavior is hurtful. A conversation might help.
True. But if they get defensive or refuse to change, that tells you something.
Yes. And the fourth step is to distance yourself. You don't owe anyone your friendship.
Right. It's okay to end a friendship that's not healthy for you.
Absolutely. Surrounding yourself with fake friends is draining. It's better to be alone than to be with people who hurt you.
Well said. And remember, when you remove fake friends from your life, you make room for real friends.
That's a great point. Real friends are out there. You just have to find them.
So what makes someone a real friend versus a fake friend?
Real friends are consistent. They treat you the same way whether you're together or apart.
Real friends are supportive. They celebrate your success and comfort you in failure.
Real friends are honest. They tell you the truth, even when it's difficult.
Real friends are loyal. They defend you when you're not there instead of talking about you.
And real friends are reciprocal. The friendship goes both ways. It's not one person always giving and the other always taking.
Those are great characteristics of real friendship. If someone has these qualities, hold on to them.
Definitely. True friends are rare and valuable.
Okay, before we finish, let's review the useful phrases we learned today. Great idea. We learned so many phrases for talking about fake friends.
Let's start with two-faced. This describes someone who is friendly to your face but dishonest behind your back.
For example, I can't trust her. She's so two-faced.
Next is fair weather friend. This is someone who is only around during good times.
Like, he's just a fair weather friend. He disappeared when I needed help.
Good. Another phrase is snake in the grass. This is someone who seems harmless, but is actually dishonest or dangerous.
For example, watch out for him. He's a snake in the grass.
Next, to stab someone in the back. This means to betray someone who trusted you.
Like, I can't believe she stabbed me in the back after all I did for her.
Another phrase is to talk behind someone's back. This means to say negative things about someone when they're not present.
For example, stop talking behind my back. If you have a problem, say it to my face.
Good example. Next is to use someone. This means to take advantage of someone for your own benefit.
Like, she's not a real friend. She's just using you.
And finally, to throw someone under the bus. This means to betray someone to save yourself.
For example, my coworker threw me under the bus to avoid getting in trouble.
These phrases will help you talk about dishonest people and fake friendships in English.
We also learned backstabbing, which is the noun form of betrayal.
And red flag, which means a warning sign that something is wrong.
These are all very useful phrases for everyday English.
Definitely. Now it's time for our favorite part.
The question of the day.
Are you ready for today's question?
Today's question is, have you ever had a fake friend? What happened?
This is a great question. We shared our stories, and now we want to hear yours.
Maybe someone talked behind your back. Maybe someone used you. Maybe someone betrayed your trust.
Tell us what happened in the comments. How did you handle it?
You can write something like, I had a fake friend who, and tell your story.
Or you can share advice. If you have a fake friend, you should.
We read every comment and we love learning from your experiences.
Sharing your story might help someone else who is dealing with a similar situation.
And writing in the comments is great practice for your English.
So please don't be shy. Share your fake friend's story with us.
Great, so let's summarize what we talked about today.
Today we discussed fake friends and how to recognize them. We talked about people who smile to your face but talk behind your back.
We shared personal stories about dealing with fake friends and how painful betrayal can feel.
We learned the signs of a fake friend, including talking behind your back, being jealous, using you, and backstabbing.
We learned useful phrases like two-faced, fair weather friend, snake in the grass, and more.
We discussed what to do if you have a fake friend, including recognizing the signs, setting boundaries, and distancing yourself.
We also talked about the qualities of real friends and why true friendship is so valuable.
We hope this conversation was helpful and that you learned useful English phrases.
Remember, you deserve real friends who respect you and support you.
Don't waste your time on people who are two-faced or who use you.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Daily English Talk and turn on notifications.
We have new English conversations every week on important topics like this one.
So from both of us, keep learning, keep practicing, and surround yourself with real friends. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.